What's up, guys? This is Josh Elliott. It's my friend Lee. It's a bit
Hello.
gay. Alright, we've just found a bird. I don't know why. It's down there. Can you see him? We've called it, what's it? What's his name? Dean? Dean, coming out? Alright, he's not coming out. So, basically, we're just doing a bit of a vlog and why we found this bird. I think he's injured. Lee's giving them food. Pick my nose. Alright, very fun. Yeah, so, what's it? We're gonna try and, get this bird some, water kind of thing. So, yeah. I will see you later.